burned the burgers again. This is the third time this week. Are you trying to ruin my shift?
These Wojak Ammunition are one of the most storytelling niches on YouTube right now. All they do is to turn everyday lessons into a simple ammunition. Like for instance, working in McDonald's, cleaning the dishes, your boss shouting at you while you're being lazy. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this Wojak Ammunition for free. First, in ChatGPT, go to explore section, search for Wojak scene generator. You click this one right here and start a chat. For the topic of this video, make a day for a life of an employee working in McDonald's. Now right at the top, it will ask whether the scene should be created as a male or female. For example, we'll go with the male character. Next, the GPT will ask if there is any bystander. In this case, your answer is yes. After that, the GPT will ask if you want to upload a reference image or describe the scene yourself. Then you describe Wojak is working at McDonald's drive-thru, and then the GPT will ask if there's a second character involved in the scene. Your answer will be yes. Then the GPT will ask for the gender of this character. In this case, you will choose male character. Then after that, the GPT will provide us an image prompt. Once that's done, you copy the first prompt and head over to Flow AI for image generation. First, paste in the script, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and import the reference image for the main character just like this, and then hit generate. Boom, you have a setup scene Wojak standing at the drive-thru and bystanders wait in the car as customers. And for the second scene, start a new chat, choose me again, and this time select no bystanders. Now describe the scene. For example, you can type Wojak working at McDonald's mopping the floor. This time don't include a second character, and then wait a few seconds again and copy the prompt, go back to Flow AI, paste in the prompt, tag him and hit generate, and just like that you have him mopping the floor. Using the same method, you can create multiple different scenes that tells a full story, like Wojak making burgers, serving customer, and even getting yelled by his boss. After generating your scenes image, you can turn them into complete story by bringing them to life using Flow AI. First, we need a video prompt. For example, upload a reference image and tell ChatGPT to give you a video prompt of this image. Once that's done, you copy the prompt and switch to Flow AI video generation and set the frame to 16:9 and paste in the video prompts and tag your reference image, and make sure you do it the exact same way like this, and you end up with a different multiple video scene just like this.
You burned the burgers again. This is the third time this week. Are you trying to ruin my shift?